Welcome to my channel. Let food be thy medicine.
Hello, guys. Today I'm gonna talk about how proteins are helpful for weight loss. Stay tuned. Subscribe my channel for more videos.
Decades of scientific research on nutrition and weight loss has uncovered a few key pieces of information on what helps people successfully win the battle of the bulge. First, we know that while exercise is important, a person's healthy eating habits likely matters more for weight loss than the hours they spend in the gym. Second, when it comes to dieting, there is no single best one for losing weight. Many diets can work quite well as long as total calorie balance is accounted for. Third, dietary protein is one of the key levers in a diet that increases the likelihood of someone's ability to lose weight. What are proteins? Protein is an important macronutrient that is involved in nearly all bodily functions and processes. It plays a key role in exercise recovery and is an essential dietary nutrient for healthy living. The elements carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen combine to form amino acids, the building blocks of protein. Protein and amino acids are primarily used to create bodily tissues, form enzymes and cellular transporters, maintain fluid balance, and more. How much protein per day to lose weight? The optimal amount of protein to consume per day is somewhat controversial. Based on the DRI of 0.36 grams of protein per pound of body weight, or 0.8 grams per kilogram. A 150-pound person would need about 54 grams per day. While this may be enough to prevent outright protein deficiency, many experts believe this is too low for optimal health, including maintaining muscle mass. What are the benefits of protein in weight loss? Dietary protein can be an important part of a diet that is intended for weight loss. While there are many benefits to dietary protein, there are four main areas that have direct effects on weight loss. Let us take a deeper dive into each of these topics. Protein helps you feel full longer. One of the biggest things that impedes weight loss is hunger. People are far less likely to stick with a nutrition or diet plan if they experience high levels of hunger. Several different lines of research have all pointed to the same thing: higher protein intakes tend to provide more satiety and less hunger. For example, in one study, high-protein snacks allowed people to go longer between eating and also caused them to eat less at subsequent meals. Another study showed that including protein into a glass of water decreased hunger compared to water alone. Depending on the source of protein, there does appear to be minor differences in the exact amount of satiety that protein provides. However, these differences are minor and don't really make meaningful impact for most people. Protein preserves lean body mass. In addition, protein has another benefit on weight loss: it helps preserve lean body mass during periods of caloric restriction. Protein increases the thermic effect of food. The thermic effect of food is the cost of digesting your food. Essentially, it takes some energy to break food down, digest it, and turn it into energy. Protein has the highest cost of all the three macronutrients. While the total effect that the thermic effect of food has on daily energy expenditure and weight loss is small, it is not meaningless and is important to note. While the total effect that the thermic effect of food has on daily energy expenditure and weight loss is small, it is not meaningless and is important to note. In one study, a high-protein diet increased the thermic effect of food by roughly 6 to 8 kcals per hour when compared to a low-protein diet, which may translate to 50 to 75 calories per day. Protein is hard to store as body fat. During periods of weight loss, there are often times where more energy is consumed than expended. As such, minimizing how much of that excess energy is stored as fat is important. leaving out a lot of jargon and mumbo-jumbo. In order for protein to be stored as fat, it goes through a much different biochemical process than either carbohydrates or protein. This process makes it much harder for protein to store as body fat. One study found that protein is stored as body fat with roughly 66% efficiency, while carbohydrates store with 80% efficiency, and fats store at 96% efficiency. During weight loss, overeating protein results in much less stored body fat than overeating on carbohydrates or fat.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more videos.